If you need to give cPanel access to a developer in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can safely share access, choose the right permissions, and make sure the other person can manage what they need without causing any issues. This is especially useful if you're working with a web developer, designer, or support specialist and you want them to help with your hosting or domain setup. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed. From here, find the domain that you want to share with your developer. If you have multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct one because the access settings will apply to that specific domain. Next, click Manage next to the domain you selected. This opens the settings for that domain. Now look for the Sharing and Transfer tab. This tab contains the options that let you share access with another person, which is exactly what you need when you want a developer to help manage your domain or related services. Inside the Sharing and Transfer section, find the Share Access or Account Access area. This is where you'll add the person who needs access. Enter the email address of the developer or person you want to give access to. Make sure the email is typed correctly because the invitation will be sent to that exact address. After entering the email, click Add. Now you'll see permission options. This is an important step because you want to make sure the person only gets the level of access they actually need. If you want them to fully manage the domain, choose Full Access. This is the best option when a developer needs complete control to make changes, configure settings, or handle the domain setup on your behalf. If you only want to give partial access, select the more limited permissions that fit your needs. After choosing the correct permissions, Namecheap will ask you to confirm the change by entering your account password. This is a security step to make sure only the account owner can approve access sharing. Type in your Namecheap password carefully, then click Confirm or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. Once that's done, Namecheap will send an email invitation to the person you added. They will need to open that email and accept the invitation before they can actually access and manage the domain. So if you don't see changes right away, that's completely normal. The access becomes active only after the invitation is accepted, and that's it. You've now shared access in Namecheap with a developer and set the permissions needed for them to work on the domain. Just remember, whenever you're sharing access, it's always best to give only the level of control that's necessary for the job. That helps keep your account secure while still allowing your developer to do their work. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.